last video, we have seen pair of linear equations in two variables, and also we have seen that there are two methods to solve the pair of linear equation. That is, one is by algebraic method and the second one is by graphical method. So under algebraic method of solving the pair of linear equation, there are three different methods. One is substitution method, second one is elimination method, and third one is cross multiplying method. So in today's video, we will learn more about substitution method, how to solve a pair of linear equation by using substitution method. And also the pair of linear equation can also be called a simultaneous linear equation because we are taking two linear equations in two variables at the same time. So it is also called a simultaneous linear equation. So let's take an example to solve the pair of linear equation by substitution method. So x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4. So mainly there are 5 steps involved in this process of solving the pair of linear equation by substitution method. So let's see one by one. So the first step is express y in terms of x in one of the given equation. So let this be equation number 1 and this be equation number 2. I am taking the first equation, say x plus y equal to 14. Express y in terms of x. So I am going to express this y in terms of x. X when I take to the right hand side, it will become 14 minus x. So let this be equation number 3. So we have first step is over, express y in terms of x. So y equal to 14 minus x. You can choose either the first equation or second equation. You will get the same answer. I have chosen the first equation. Now step 2. Substitute this value of y in terms of x in another equation. This will give you a linear equation in x. So I have chosen the first equation. I have written y in terms of x. Now I am going to substitute this y in second equation. That means substitute 3 in 2. So substitute 3 in 2. So our second equation is x minus y equal to 4. Wherever y is there, I am going to substitute 14 minus x. So x minus 14 minus x equal to 4. So x minus 14 minus into minus plus x equal to 4. So which is equal to 2x minus 14 equal to 4. Now I got the linear equation in x. Step 3 is solve the linear equation in x obtained in step 2. So this is the linear equation I got in x in the step 2. I am going to solve this. So 2x minus 14 equal to 4. 2x is equal to 4 plus 14. 2x is equal to 18, or x is equal to 18 divided by 2, 9. So I got the value of x as 9. Substitute this value of x in relation taken in the step 1 to obtain linear equation in y. So I got now x equal to 9. I am going to substitute in any one of this equation. So x plus y equal to 14. I am going to substitute x plus y equal to 14 in this equation. The value of x equal to 9. So 9 plus y equal to 14. Now solve the above linear equation in y to get the value of y. So 9 plus y equal to 14. So y equal to 14 minus 9, which is equal to 5. So I got the value of y as well as I got the value of x. So these are the steps. First you have to express y in terms of x. Then next step, step number 2, you have to substitute this value of y in the first equation. So x minus 14 minus x, like this we got a linear equation in x. Third step, you need to solve this linear equation and you will get the value for x. Fourth step, you need to substitute this value of x in the first equation so that in the step 5 you will get the answer for y also. So we have substituted the value of one variable by expressing it in terms of another variable to solve this pair of linear equation. That is why this method is called as substitution method. Now let's solve one more question with substitution method. X minus t equal to 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. So let's see how to solve this. So give this equation number 1 and give this equation number 2. From the first equation, x minus t equal to 3, I'll write s is equal to, this minus t I'll take to the other side, that is 3 plus t. Give this equation number 3. Now next step, substitute 3 in 2. Because we have used the first equation to write s is equal to 3 plus 2. So substitute the value of s equal to 3 plus t in the second equation. So we have 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. Now LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So 6, what you should multiply with 3 to get 6? 2. Same number you have to multiply in the numerator also. 2 into 3 plus t plus what you should multiply with 2 to get 6? 3. So same number you will multiply equal to 6. So which is equal to 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2t plus 3t divided by 6 equal to 6, which is equal to 6 plus 5t divided by 6 equal to 6, which is equal to 6 plus 5t equal to 6 are 36, which is equal to 5t equal to 36 minus 6. So I'll write here 5t equal to 30, t equal to 30 divided by 5, t equal to 6. Now substitute the value of t equal to 6 in any of the equation, you will get the value of s. So I will substitute in equation number 3. We have s is equal to 3 plus t, which is our equation number 3. So s is equal to 3 plus 6. So s is equal to 9. So value of s is 9 and value of t is 6. So this is how you are solving a pair of linear equation by substitution method. Thank you for watching the video.